Aloha, I'm gonna do a quick review for you folks of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan from Pure Motor Cars. 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan, 17-inch alloy wheels on it. Doors open automatically from the remote. It is the GT model, reverse camera. The rear hatch also opens up automatically. It does have the stow and go seats, so the seats fold into the floor. It also closes automatically. Leather interior with red piping. These seats fold into the floor down here. It's the front seats. Nice updated dash. Vehicle has 35,000 miles on it. Rear AC controls. Control and dash controls here. Camera, USB auxiliary cord jacks. Mode to save gas, traction control, hazard lights, and 115 volt plug-in. Give us a call, click on the link below to schedule a test drive, guys. Aloha.